Today, we'll show you how to install a REESE custom trailer hitch, part number 84020. This hitch application fits the 2016 through 2021 Mazda CX-9. For our purposes here today, we have a 2019 model. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all the parts included in the instructions. For this installation, you'll be using the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. To begin the installation, you must first remove the lower trim panel on the back of the vehicle. To do this, use your flathead screwdriver to remove the plastic expanding fasteners. Then, take the lower trim panel off and set it aside. You will not be reinstalling this piece. Your next step is to lower the exhaust. First, fasten a hanger strap under the vehicle to act as a support. Then spray the 4 rubber exhaust hangers with soapy water or a lubricant to make removal easier. Once this is done, take off the rubber exhaust hangers and gently lower the exhaust down onto the strap. Using exhaust removal pliers would help make this step easier. Now you're ready to install the hitch. On the driver's side, feed the threaded end of the pull wire through the vehicle frame rails attachment hole and out through the access hole. Put a spacer over the threaded end and attach a bolt. Then feed the fasteners through the access hole and back out through the attachment hole. Take another wire and put a spacer over the threaded end and attach a bolt. Then feed the bolt and spacer up into the access hole and pull the wire downward so the bolt hangs down. Repeat these steps on the other side, being sure to leave the pull wires attached as you will feed them through the hitch later in this installation. Next, raise the hitch into position, which is easier with an extra set of hands, and feed the pull wires through the holes in the hitch. Push the hitch up into place so that the holes align with the bolts in the frame. Then remove the pull wire and loosely install the tooth conical washers with the teeth side toward the hitch and a 1/2-inch hex nut onto each of the 4 carriage bolts. After all the hardware has been secured, use a torque wrench to torque all the nuts to 110 foot-pounds. After you finish torquing the bolts, use the hanger strap to help you raise the exhaust and reinstall the exhaust hangers. After all 4 hangers have been reinstalled, remove the strap and you're done. This concludes the installation for a REESE custom trailer hitch on this 2019 Mazda CX-9, part number 84020. For more information on this and other great REESE products, visit reeseproducts.com.